Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many on this VE Day special. So why cook Italian food pizza on VE Day when they were on the opposite side? Well, luckily for us they were the first to surrender, so we'll give them a thumbs up and a pizza to that. We're not going to do a British pizza. Some of you might be thinking full English breakfast pizza. No, we're going to nod to one of our big allies, America, and I'm going to give you my take on a New Yorker pizza. So here we go. So we've got our tomato sauce, ingredients, some fresh mozzarella, see the link to the video below for that, some grated mozzarella, pastrami, pepperoni, cooked sausage, gherkin and mustard. Okay, so there's our ingredients. So we have some flour, some cornmeal and our dough ball. And again, if you want to see my video on making dough, it's in the description below. So this is a room temperature dough I'm using today. Okay. We're just going to push the dough out. Okay, we're just going to wipe away any excess flour, and we're just going to put a little bit of cornmeal underneath just to help it on the paddle. Onto this spoon of the tomato sauce. So this is a cooked sauce, not like the one I used the other day on the last video. Then onto it, we're going to go with the grated mozzarella, the fresh mozzarella, using milk from a dairy only 2.5 miles away, Woodthorpe Grange. Okay, then I'm going to go on with the pastrami, pepperoni, and the sausage. Everyone loves a bit of sausage. Okay, right, so then we're going to get the peel, a little bit of cornmeal, you can use semolina if you like, into the peel. And then while it's on the peel, you can do a bit of reshaping, and then straight into the oven. And we got our turning peel. While that's just cooking quickly, I'm just going to move these out of the way. You'll hear a bit of hustling and bustling, a few parties going on, neighbours in the garden, people on the front to celebrate, obviously, this great day. Right, one more turn. This is on full, Koda is on full heat, not turned it down. We're nearly there. Okay. I've just caught the back edge just last minute. Okay, then some shredded gherkin and some American mustard. And there we have it. My take on the American New Yorker pizza for a special VE Day pizza. Hope you guys are all enjoying whatever you're doing, staying safe, and obviously enjoying your bank holiday weekend, making pizza, celebrating with friends. Make sure you head over to our Facebook page for more chat, pictures and community banter, and make sure you do share, subscribe and like and comment as well.